Do you want to know a woman's weak point? After this video, you will know the powerful weakness of a woman. Watch this video until the end because I'm gonna tell you how you can make a woman want you in seconds. You will know the weakness of a woman. So a woman's weak point is detached man. A detached man is a man who doesn't care about women and never stares at hot beautiful women on the street. When a hot beautiful woman is sitting next to you or walking in front of you, you better stop looking at her. When you do this, she will start thinking that I'm hot, beautiful, gorgeous, and all the men look at me. Why doesn't he looking at me? When you do this, you start to generate a mystery in the female's mind, and that will make the woman interested in you. This happened to me so many times in my life. Women started to wonder why I never looked at them, and that aroused great interest in the female mind. Because women love a mysterious and interesting man. Being a needy or greedy man makes women ignore you because you lose your masculine vibe and start chasing women. When you don't care about women, they will want your attention and they want you to look at them. But keep in mind that you should only apply this behavior when you have a lot of female contacts on your phone. This detachment behavior is extremely important for men because it will make you reject women and they will chase you because women don't accept rejections. When you have a lot of female contacts on your phone, you start to be an extremely important and selective man, and you end up becoming irresistible to women. Because they will realize that you have control over your life and you don't care if a woman rejects you. And you know that because you have a lot of women wanting you already. This is the importance of having so many contacts with women. This will make you always on a pedestal position and the woman will always be your big fan. When you put a woman on a pedestal and chase her, you are simply being a fan of them, and women hate that. That's why a detached, interesting and mysterious man is a man who makes women go crazy with desire. I made a video on how you can make a woman beg for your love. Watch that video after this video if you really want to make her love you badly. Never forget that you must always increase your knowledge about the female mind so you never make any mistakes with women again. Knowledge will help you a lot to deal with the female mind, while many men make a lot of mistakes and lose women all the time. I wish someone told me about this in the beginning, but unfortunately nobody thought about it. You have to behave like a prize and women will treat you like a prize. Don't forget that people will treat you the same way you treat them. So behave like a king and women will treat you like a king. That's the key. But remember one thing. Only apply this method after having so many girls' contacts on your phone. After that, you are all set. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about women, then please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss any video on this channel. Till that, see you soon.